Hope of a Tree is a new piece I'm making for Inch by Inch, an artist-led travelling project. We're each making work in a case, which we're transporting to non-gallery spaces around southwest UK. I've been working with steel tubes and grid structures, rusting, drilling, welding, soldering and stitching. The soft and hard materials are recycled, found or donated. I acquired the metal trunk in an auction. Vertical forms extend beyond the trunk when opened. From constriction to regeneration, branching umbrella forms are reappropriated with hand-stitched patches of yellow textiles and plastic. Precarious, yet hopeful. The labour-intensive stitches reference repair.